pose is a Yin yoga pose called Square Pose. It is to help you sit more easily on the floor. If you notice when you sit down on the floor, like I'm sitting here, your knees are really high. As in all seated poses, elevate your hips on a raised surface. Elevate them until your knees can relax down a little bit. For Square Pose, you're going to take one leg forward, parallel to the edge of the mat, and the other leg on top of that leg. You want to make sure your ankle's supported and it's not hanging and curling. You don't have to hold it tight, you just want it to be supported. The next thing you're going to do is, if you see space under the knee like I have here, you're going to fill that space. You could fill it with a rolled up blanket, you could fill it with a block, and what you're going to do is allow that support to let your muscles relax into the area. You could even fold forward, giving yourself support in the front. As you're waiting in your Yin poses, you're going to relax and breathe and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. As that time goes by, you may be able to start removing some of your support so your leg starts to drop down. Listen to your body and only remove it if your body feels like it's ready to relax. When you're finished, you want to come back and find what we call a recovery pose, which is letting your legs go in a different direction. A nice thing to do after the Yin